So, ladies and gentlemen, almost every single week there's a new event happening in the e commerce landscape that is completely changing everything. And in this video, we're going to go over how this one e commerce brand was able to go from zero to $1 million in 30 days utilizing TikTok in one of its newest features. So, we're going to talk about this. We're going to break it down so that you can utilize it for your business, or even if you don't have a business, this will be perfect inspiration for you to finally launch that business. So, what I'm talking about is this fast push game right here. And just before we actually break this down, if you do enjoy this sort of content, make sure that you subscribe, leave a comment, drop a like. Just do whatever it is that's going to help this video do a little bit better. You don't have to, obviously. I will make these videos regardless, even if just 0 people watch it. But it would be nice to get more people watching the videos. So I appreciate you if you did that. Now, as you see, this has sold 52,000 units on TikTok Shop, which equates to over $1 million in sales at this price point. And surprisingly, they have a good track record with reviews because this product is quite simple. Now, TikTok Shop is something that a lot of people are not utilizing, and I'm going to give you some really fresh alpha in today's video that I don't think I've ever seen in any video, but it's a way to actually sync up your TikTok Shop orders to Shopify. Opening up a TikTok Shop is literally as simple as this. TikTok Shop registration. And just like that, we created a TikTok Shop. I already put all my information in here. I already got a product approved and everything. It took a few days, not gonna lie, but it's super easy to do. It's almost the same as signing up for a Shopify store, which you should do utilizing the link in my description if you want to get a good deal. So this week I'm going to be launching my first TikTok Shop product as well. But the meta truly is to have both TikTok Shop and Shopify. And how you can sync up both of the orders is through an app called Shop Dance. Now, Shop Dance is an app designed to sync up basically all of your sales channels to Shopify. This was discovered by somebody in the Akemi Lab. Shout out to all the Akemi Lab members. This is seriously the best community ever. It's a research community, and I just absolutely love it. I've been really enjoying it lately. It's my community, but I enjoy it as a user as well. So make sure you check that out in the description too. But this is how you're going to sync up your orders. Now, let's actually analyze a little bit of how this brand came about, because it will present as a great example for future trends that you're going to be able to see. Now, just the last thing I want to mention, capitalizing on trends in breaking TikToks is exactly what the research community is all about. And that's what we try to do, is post a lot of different breakout TikToks as well as some other stuff. But this is how these people were able to capitalize on this. They didn't just come up with this product, right? Somebody came up with it somewhere, probably someone in China. As you see, if we look up fast push game, almost every single search result is from Temu, which, if you're just a dropshipper out there, is probably a little bit concerning. But somebody created this product and somebody just decided to dropship it to TikTok Shop because they probably saw so many people making viral videos with it. So that's the first lesson here, is the viral potential of the product itself is so essential to success on TikTok. Look at this. I mean, this just looks fun to use. And also, anybody can make content about this. You don't have to show your face or anything. So it's quite easy to blow up in terms of virality. Let's look at this one. So this one's from a few days ago, literally, and it has 3 million views, and it's over a minute long. So that's another thing. TikTok is just doing a lot of stuff right now. Every video that's over a minute long gets better monetization. So a lot of creators are making videos that are longer, which makes people stay longer on the platform. And they're allowing people to get commissions on TikTok Shop products. So you can't see it right now because I'm on desktop, but on mobile, you would see right here a little box that says eligible for commission. So she is certainly selling this product, and she probably made, from 3 million views, she probably made at least like $2,000 from this video in commissions, and then probably another 1,000 in views. So influencers, or rather content creators, are really getting pretty good paychecks right now from just capitalizing on TikTok. And as you see, the product is just innately viral because it's kind of it flashes, it's a challenge. So you can make lots of challenge content with it. And, it's no coincidence that all of these videos are popping off. And this product is also doing 1 million a month, right? So a $20 product is making over $1 million a month. It kind of defies all of the rules in e-commerce, at least on YouTube, where people, or gurus rather, will tell you you need to sell products that are more expensive. You need to have this, and that. That is all false. It's just benchmarks that they've set for themselves to test products. But ultimately, guys, the whole game is an information game. It's who has the better information, the most recent information to capitalize on these trends fast. And unfortunately, it's going to be hard to be on the cutting edge if you're just watching top 10, dropshipping product videos, because those are always old. And, it could be helpful. I'm not saying don't do that. I make those videos sometimes too. But this is why at the Academy Lab, I have a full research team. So it doesn't just depend on my research that I do here on YouTube. We have people that are dedicated to giving us in detailed, concise formats the latest information that's going to help us have an edge over the competition, or just, it's really an information arbitrage game. And that happens even at the highest level, like literally in the billions of dollars. That's how they're playing. You may not understand what I'm saying if you're a beginner, but someday you will, and you'll thank me for bringing this to your attention. But regardless, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I found it quite interesting. This was a tweet by this guy named Anthony LaPietra. So check him out if you need to. Shout out to him for, posting these stats. I did see this. I've been seeing this product for a long time. So, I'm glad that he brought it to my attention again so I could actually make a video about it. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you want me to make more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.